Backpedal, the starting position. When training with partners, always have one partner standing perpendicular to the athlete when performing movement-based exercises. The coaching cues, we have one athlete perform 2 to 3 exercises and then the other athlete will take over. This is a good work to rest ratio to follow. Form sprinting, the starting position. Face away from your partner in a good athletic position. Move out until the band has some tension. Don't move past the cones. Begin sprinting in place. Coaching cues, keep the eyes up, keep good sprinting mechanics. Perform the sprint drill between 5 and 10 seconds, and then once you're done, move back into the starting position and your partner can go. Sprint out. Starting position is to face away from your partner, move out until the band has tension, and then begin sprinting out to the cone, move back to the starting position, and sprint out again. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, and then your partner goes. Sprint outs. The starting position is to face away from your partner, move out until the band has tension, touch the ground, and sprint out to the cone. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, and then your partner goes. Lateral slides. Facing laterally with your partner, begin sliding back and forth, touching the cones in a good athletic position, heads up. When you do the desired repetitions, then your partner begins to take over. Figure 8 backpedal. Facing laterally to your partner, go through the cones in a figure 8 fashion. When you complete the desired repetitions, your partner goes. The format that we use is 2 repetitions and then the partner goes. That seems to be a good work to rest ratio. Lateral figure 8s. Facing opposite to your partner, perform a figure 8 movement through the cones, completing 2 repetitions, and then your partner completes his 2 repetitions, and then we repeat the cycle. Go for the desired amount of time or repetitions, whichever you prefer. Close out with hip turns. Facing perpendicular to your partner, perform a sprint out. When you get out to the end at the cones, perform a closeout and then return by opening the hips, moving backwards. Go for a couple of repetitions, 2 to 3, and then your partner will take over and do his or her repetitions. The T-drill. The T-drill is performed by doing a backpedal movement to the middle of the cones, then performing a lateral slide or shuffle to either of the cones, then coming back to the middle. We alternate our stopping foot to work on stopping mechanics. When you complete your repetitions, then your partner performs his or her repetitions. You can do these either for time or number of repetitions, depending upon what you prefer. Lunge and chest press. Face outwards from your partner, get into a deep lunge position. Secure the webbing around the wrist and grab the outer 2 most handles. Move until a desired resistance is on the band. Begin pressing away from the body and stay in an upright position to challenge the core. Another variation is the alternating lunge and press, where you're stepping in opposition of your partner, pressing away. The reach and row. Face inwards toward your partner, secure the webbing around the wrist, and grab the outer 2 most handles with an overhand grip. Move until the desired resistance is on the band and get into a lunge position. Extend all the way towards the center, reaching over the lunge leg, then row toward the chest. By pushing through the front foot makes this exercise a more total body movement. Another variation of this exercise is to do an alternating reach and row. Half moons. Standing in a strong athletic position, facing laterally in opposition to your partner, secure the webbing strap around your wrist. Grab one foam handle with a baseball grip. Move until desired resistance is on the band. Extend arm overhead. Bend at the knees and waist as you make a sweeping motion down to your inside foot. Touch the foot. Now reverse the process. Some coaching cues are to bend at the waist and knees, making this sweeping movement toward the inside foot. Side-facing one-arm press. Standing in a strong athletic position and facing lateral in opposition to your partner, secure the webbing strap around your wrist. Grab one foam handle and move until desired resistance is on the band. Press with one arm and rotate your entire body to get more power into the press. Make sure to lift the heel as you pivot to release the stress off your knee. Cross-cut saw. Face inwards toward your partner, secure the webbing around the wrist, grab the outer twomost handles with an overhand grip. Move until desired resistance is on the band and get into a lunge position. Extend all the way towards the center, reaching over the lunge leg, then row in a sawing motion toward the chest. Performing this exercise in an alternating fashion makes it a total body movement. Drop step twist. Facing inwards toward your partner, secure the webbing around the wrist and grab one foam handle with a baseball grip. Get into an athletic position and move until desired resistance is on the band. Begin by taking a drop step to the right. As you drop step, keep the handle extended from your body and in line with the center of your chest. Keep your eyes on the foam handle to increase the rotational movement. Step back to the center and drop step left. Make sure to release the heels to allow a fuller rotation and less stress on the knees. Forward crawl. Face outward from your partner and secure the webbing around your waist. Get into a push-up position and begin by crawling forward. Partner completes 2 repetitions before the opposite partner will go. Lateral crawl. Facing laterally to your partner, secure the webbing around your waist. Begin the movement by moving laterally to your side, going 2 repetitions prior to your partner moving to do his or her repetitions. Go out as far as the cone and come back in, or 2 to 3 movements. Step and overhead press. Secure the webbing strap around your wrist. Grab the 2 innermost foam handles with an overhand grip. Move until desired resistance is on the band. Extend your arms overhead and get into a soccer throw-in stance. Stay tall and maintain a strong core throughout the movement. Another variation of the exercise is to do an alternating step and press, which increases the amplitude and also increases the difficulty of the movement. Single arm fast pulls. Face inwards toward your partner, secure the webbing around the wrist, and grab the outer twomost handles with an overhand grip. Move until desired resistance is on the band and get into a squat position. Squat and extend arms toward the center and begin rowing toward the chest. Moving in opposition. Diagonal chop and lift. Facing inwards toward your partner, assume an overhand baseball grip on the foam handle. Maintain a strong athletic stance, bend at the knees and waist, and sweep towards the foot, then extend arms overhead and rotate, making sure to lift the back heel to take the stress off the knee.